Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 17 Hyundai Sonata where they tried to break the lock to get in. They couldn't get it in. A lot of times they were breaking the windows, but seem not to be doing that as much. I'm getting a lot where they try to break the cylinder, but they can't get in. So when this happens, sometimes this handle comes loose and the owner can't open and close the door. You want to kind of push that in and slide it forward, and then you can temporarily use it till you get the cylinder fixed. So we're going to replace the lock cylinder and the cap that they destroyed. So what we did here was we ordered a cap from the dealer and we finished it. And then I ordered online. You can buy this from the dealer. It's expensive, the lock cylinder. You can buy it aftermarket online. And I had it coded to the ignition key, which is right here. This key does start the car. So this will come with two keys generally. And the lock will work with the keys that it comes with. So in that instance, if you want to do that without getting a locksmith involved, you'll have two keys, one for the lock and one for your original one for the start it up. In this case, the customer wanted it coded to his original key, so that was a little bit of added expense. So now we're going to take this out and then put the cap on. The whole operation takes about 2 minutes. If you open the door, there's a little cover here. And it's already missing. Somebody peeled it off. So somebody's been in there. You can see there's a little nut in there. So what we want to do is loosen that nut, not take it out all the way. That looks like an 8mm. And as you loosen it, we're going to sort of pull this out and then wiggle that, and that's going to come out. And then we're going to put the new one in and then tighten that bolt and then click the cap on. It's very simple. Alright, so we have our 8mm. I'm going to loosen it up. Remember I said don't take it out, you just want to loosen it. You can test it a couple times to see if it comes out. I'm going to go a little more. That's sort of a special screw, so if it falls out or something, you could have a little issue replacing it. And I like to open the handle, then try to wiggle it with two hands. Alright, so I got it out, but this one was difficult because they damaged it. That screw in there wasn't coming all the way out, so we kept wiggling it and wiggling it and wiggling it.
And then you pull it back like with a carabiner. See how it slides in?
Yeah.
You pull it all the way back and it locks.
Yeah, that way see, it was sticking in that hole there, which wasn't allowing it to come out. Depends on how much damage they do. Normally it comes right out, but if it gets stuck in there, it could be just the metal's warped over here or that bolt's not coming all the way out. So that's what it was. That's the complication you could run into. So now we're going to put the new one in. Open the handle. And now we're going to open the door and just tighten that bolt.
It's not catching. Push it in. Push the bolt.
It's going.
Nope.
All right. Let's take it out again. Completely out. Let's pull it out with the needle nose. No, it's holding.
Now she's holding. Yeah, she should be caught now. Feels like it.
It feels like it's tightening up. Yep.
Got it.
All right, now it's tight. All right.
No wiggle.
Go.
Handle's not staying.
The handle will stay once we put the cap
Put the cap
on. Yep. All right, let's get the cap.
Where is it?
The hood. And that will stop that handle from sliding back.
Don't know how he's going. I can't get it. What's holding it? What's holding this?
There you go. And that's it. Job done. test the key.
And be wary of locksmiths that charge too much money to recode it.
Yeah. The locksmiths that come out and recode it. You should be able to get this key recoded for like $30, but these guys that show up in the vans are very expensive. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope this helped. We're going to try with the other key. And that works too. Very good. All right. Take care. Please subscribe.